You're going to solve the next cube in this car.
Inshallah.
Hi guys, this is my brother Ismail Balwa. Myself Ibrahim Balwa. Today is day 2. Ismail is going to be solving this Rubik's cube. We'll calculate the average at the end of the video. Your time starts now.
Stop. 1 and 4.
Really good compared to what he did yesterday. I'm really proud of you, my brother. But today what we're going to do is for the next 2 attempts, I'm going to be taking you out in the car. Waiting for me to take him out in this car. He has no clue that he'll be solving the Rubik's cube in the GWagon. Waiting outside for the GWagon to come. You're going to solve the next cube in this car.
Inshallah.
Are we going to this fuel station?
Stop it.
45 seconds. Ismail is going to solve the Rubik's cube now.
Stop.
Epic drive. Ismail really enjoyed it. It was really cold today for some reason. Thank you so much to our friend who got the car for us. Ismail solved this Rubik's cube thrice. He solved.
My average.
We have to calculate his average. Let's find out.